Good evening, guys, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 21st, 2024. And in this additional, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the binary puzzle. And this one will be number 9634. And before I start, I always count to print the digits 16. That's a lot for a binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with a ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Then. Let me think now. We have here 3 ones. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So these 2 boxes should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Yeah. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Then between the ones comes an O. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Finished in 3 minutes. Well, it's not a quick one. 3 minutes, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with a 4th and last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.